Welcome back, Mzansi. Now, over the past couple of weeks, we have learned so much about the importance of the immune system and how we can give it the support it needs. Beta-glucans are one of those important ingredients that are natural and help to support and activate the immune system. Found naturally in oats, we are going to show you how to make some healthy and delicious peanut butter and oat muffins to give your immune system that extra boost. Now, a lot of people find the use of oats very simple because most people just make oats in their house, and that's about all you can do with oats, right? So I'm trying to show you something that you can do with oats that's more versatile, you know, instead of just making it as a cereal or as a morning porridge, you can actually use it in different ways. And also it is high in beta-glucan. So to start it off, actually, we are going to be making some muffins. To start off our recipe, I've got some bananas over here. All I'm going to do is I'm going to mash these up in my little bowl. The one thing I love about this recipe is that it's so simple and it is high in all the ingredients you need to build and actually boost your immune system. So we're starting it off with some bananas. All I'm going to do now is just mash these up nicely. You don't have to worry about them being too soft because the other thing is they're going to get put into the blender anyway. The whole idea of doing this is just to help with the mixing of the ingredients once I put it into our blender. So the whole idea is I've got some bananas. The other ingredients we'll be using is some peanut butter, some honey, some cocoa powder, I've got some eggs, I've also got some salt, baking powder and baking soda. Then we've got some chocolate bits that are going to go on the top of our muffins, as well as some oats as well, some dried oats that's just going to be topping our muffins. Into my blender, let me start off. I'm going to put some bananas in here. So not only do they help with the immune boosting properties, but also the bananas help with binding this recipe. So I'm going to put a little bit of the milk at the bottom, and then I'm going to go in with the rest of the ingredients and then top it with some of our milk as well. Into this we go in with a bit of oats. As you can see, there's no flour. The reason for that is we're using our oats as the stabilizer for this recipe. So I'm going to add a bit of our oats into this mixture. And the other thing you love about these kind of recipes, because we're making a baked good, the batter can be nice and runny because it's going to bake up nicely and basically mellow together inside of the baking tray. I go in with some peanut butter, which is also a good, basically a nice ingredient to use. If you don't eat nuts, you can make sure to just exclude them completely. I'm going in with some honey, which also has some antibacterial and antioxidant properties in it, and a bit of cocoa powder just for color and for flavor. And then into this mixture, I'm going to break in 1 egg. You can, obviously, depending on how many muffins you want to make, you can add more if you're making a bigger batch. And then a bit of salt. I'm actually just going to put a pinch. As we all know, whenever you're baking, it is important to add a bit of salt into your batter, because it actually helps with activating the sugars and all of that. Baking soda, baking powder, all of this goes together. And then a bit of milk goes into the rest of our batter. The whole idea here is just to make sure that it blends properly. And then this is the recipe done. You know, all the ingredients are so simple and all of them are so good for your body because they basically assist in building the immune system. And the one thing about beta-glucan specifically is that research has shown that they actually help with fighting cancer and boosting the immune system. So that's one of the bigger properties that they have. So let me just blend this up. And that's basically it. So the one thing I love about this is that if you didn't want to use your oats as a batter for muffins, you could actually even use it as a smoothie in the morning, because it actually helps to build your immune system. It helps to make you feel fuller for longer. It actually is a source of soluble fiber. So that's one of the good things I love about this recipe, that even though it's high in beta-glucan, it also is good for you in terms of eating this recipe in the morning, feeling fuller for longer, making sure that you don't obviously chomp on things that actually don't even build your body or help your immune system in any way. And that's the one thing I love about beta-glucans as well, is that they have a property that helps them to build your immune system. So I don't know if you can see some of these bits and pieces of the peanut butter and the banana in there. Don't worry about that, because as it bakes up, it'll actually create some texture in the center of your muffin, and you don't have to worry about that because it's all good for you anyway. If you want all the recipe details, you can actually go to afternoonexpress.co.za to get the exact measurements, so don't stress about that. So that is all you have to do with this recipe. Plain and simple. Top it off with some chocolate bits. I've gone for dark chocolate bits here. You can exclude this completely if you don't want to. You can actually top it up with fresh berries as well, and then as it bakes into your muffins in the oven, they basically, all the juices from the berries get released, and it basically works together in the muffin itself. And then all of that, if you want to as well, you could even chop up some fresh bananas that can go on top of your muffins as well, just to add that additional texture as well. And the one thing I love about that is that they'll actually get nice and crispy on the top, giving you texture. Like we always say in the kitchen, whenever we're baking up or eating anything, texture is just as important as taste, because you don't want to eat something that's either just too soggy or just too crunchy. You want there to be texture in your whole meal. And that is our recipe done and simple. This is going to go into the oven to bake. Our tray has been greased, so it is important to make sure you do that. This is going to go into the oven to bake at 180 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes. And the recipe is done. You can enjoy this with yourself, your family. You can have it as a snack. You can enjoy it anytime during the day, morning, night. It's completely up to you. But the one thing I have to mention, that it's important that we take the right steps to maintain a healthy and strong immune system. Immuenza helps to support a healthy immune system, assisting in keeping you healthy and protected. Make sure to tune in again Monday when we'll be announcing another lucky winner of this week's Immuenza competition.
Help support your immune system for your next big adventure with Immuenza.